As soon as you get a winning strategy, others will start mimicking it immediately. Amazon, the platform allows that. It's designed, not designed because of that or for that, but because of the way it's designed, that Amazon can't really be dominated because competition will always take over and make it an even playing field. I say that an eBayer, an eBay seller, a new eBay seller who's only been on eBay 2.5 or 3 months, that's kind of the magic spot. You can start outselling people who try to sell against you on those items. You can't, of the items that you're selling. It takes about 3 months to do what we call energizing your eBay account and start selling about the same number each day as you list. That's the sweet spot we want to get to. And why can you still dominate? It's because, as I keep repeating, eBay's easy to start selling on, but no one ever learns more than the basics. And so once you do, you will be a winner. eBay is ultra simple to start, but it takes time. eBay's deeper if you want to dominate eBay. It requires more work if you want to dominate eBay. It doesn't require an FBA, Amazon expertise, but it requires more work to dominate on eBay. eBay is the oldest reselling platform, really. I mean, eBay began exactly 25 years ago. This is eBay's 25th anniversary. And common sense and logic would tell you that no seller can dominate a platform that old, that mature. I mean, competition won't allow that. The platform's far more mature for by now for people to find these little ways to dominate what they sell. Oh, I love that it's so easy to dominate eBay. I love it. 0 Amazon sellers, not giant sellers who've sold for years, find it easy to dominate Amazon. I mean, right? I mean, some do for a short time. They don't dominate Amazon for long, and it makes sense. Amazon is also a mature platform, been around as a reselling, as a true reseller third-party platform, really working similar to the way it does today for 8 years or so. You've been able to sell on Amazon longer than that, but 8 or 9 years is really where it's been molded into what we know today. Let me speak to you, for those of you who sell on Amazon. You want to sell Nike shoes on eBay? eBay says, you want to sell brand new Nike shoes on eBay? Okay, sure, no problem. You want to sell Adidas brand new shoe? Sure. eBay says, okay, we don't care. You want to sell Air Jordan special edition, limited edition, often fraudulent. I mean, often, what's the word? Often a knockoff. People will immediately start knocking off 3,000 pairs of Air Jordans. eBay says, you want to start selling Air Jordans as long as they're valid, as long as they're original? Sure, you can sell it. And here's what we will do. We will for free, we will take every shoe that you sell, every Air Jordan that you sell, and we will verify that it is authentic. And in other words, you will ship it to us, not the seller, not the buyer, and we will verify that it's authentic, and we will send it to the buyer, and we will protect you 100% on that sale if the seller says it's not authentic. Wow. You want to open multiple seller accounts on eBay? Amazon gets your account. With Amazon, you try to open up 2 or 3 or 4 seller accounts. Amazon doesn't want you to do that. And you should follow Amazon's rules, but they don't want you to. They will close you down faster than a smoke shop lasts in the lobby of the Mayo Clinic. You can't do that, but you can on eBay. You want to sell grab bags of items that you don't even describe what's in the box that you're selling on eBay. eBay says, knock yourself out. We don't care. You want to create a bundle that has absolutely no complementary products whatsoever that go together in any logical way. I'm not saying that's wise, but if you've ever tried to create a bundle on Amazon, going through those pages and pages of rules that constantly change, eBay says, sure, whatever you want to do, throw it all in a box and sell these 9 things that don't go together. We don't care. Wow. I mean, can you just imagine the freedom of being able to bundle anything? So sell your bundles on eBay if you also sell them on Amazon. The number one biggest selling tip is to join Ryan's group, Treasure Hunting Profits. You can sign up for 1 month and you're going to learn how to source, and you're going to learn how to source things that no one else looks for real fast in this group. Watch the video that is embedded in this link. If you just watch this video and never sign up, you are going to learn on how to find things, how to source things that are money makers. And we don't like 33% ROIs in this group. Our group, we pretty much spend pennies to make $5 and $10 bills. This is the most advanced eBay group ever. That includes all reselling eBay groups. There's more actionable money-making content on how to source and how to sell than any other group on the planet. That's the value that you're getting.